Hi, I'm Dimitris Charalambidis, and in this presentation we will work together an exercise similar to a past paper exercise. So here it is. Consider the expansion of x squared times 5x squared plus k over x and all that to the power of 8. The constant term of this expansion is equal to 560,000. Find the values of k. What we're going to do in this exercise is that we will keep x squared as it is and find the general term of the binomial of 5x squared plus k over x to the power of 8. So we begin by, as mentioned, keeping x squared and just applying the general term for simply the binomial, which is 8 choose r 5x squared to the power of 8 minus r times k over x to the power of r. Next, we will apply some properties, mainly properties of powers, to lose the brackets. So we should write x squared, we don't forget it, it's there, 8 choose r, 5 to the power of 8 minus r, times x squared to the power of 8 minus r, times k over r over x to the power of r. We continue with properties. Instead of x squared and all that to the power of 8 minus r, we will write it as x to the power of 16 minus 2r. Next, we will do some rearrangements so that all those terms that are considered as numbers move in front, while all those terms that are considered variables go at the back. Now, to do this discrimination between numbers and variables, remember that any term that doesn't include x is considered as number. So, our numbers here would be 8 choose r, 5 to the power of 8 minus r, and k to the power of r, while our variables are x squared, x to the power of 16 minus 2r, and 1 over x to the power of r. If we now try to simplify all the variable terms in just one, we would get that we have the numbers as they are, and the variable part will be equal to x to the power of 18 minus 3r. Hence, the general term in this exercise will be in form 8 choose r times 5 to the power of 8 minus r times k to the power of r times x to the power of 18 minus 3r. Remember now that the exercise mentions something about constant term. To get the constant term, we should have that x to the power of 18 minus 3r equals to x to the power of 0. That's how we get the constant term in a binomial expansion. Thus, 18 minus 3r equals 0, which, if solved for r, will give us the result of 6. So, for r equals 6, the constant term will be 8 choose 6, 5 to the power of 8 minus 6, times k to the power of 6, times x to the power of 0, which leads to the result of 700 times k to the power of 6. But we were also given that this must also be equal to 560,000. Therefore, to get k, we must solve 560,000 equals to 700 k to the power of 6. By doing it, most likely by using a GDC, a calculator, we get that k is either equal to negative 3.046 or equal to the positive 3.046. And both values will be accepted. For any questions about this presentation, you can leave comments down below, or you can contact me with one of the following ways, either on my email or at my Facebook page. As always, thank you for your time.